In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to delete a contact in Honeybook. Whether you're tidying up your contact list or removing outdated entries, this process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few steps. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to navigate to the Contacts tab from your main menu. If you're not already familiar with Honeybook's interface, the Contacts tab is where you'll find a comprehensive list of all the people and businesses you're currently connected with. It's an essential tool for managing your relationships and keeping track of your network. Once you're in the Contacts tab, take a moment to glance through your list. You'll notice there's a search bar at the top, which is incredibly handy, especially if you have a large database of contacts. Next, you'll use this search bar to find the specific person you wish to remove. Simply type in their name, and Honeybook will automatically filter your list to show matching results. This feature can save you a lot of time, especially if you have hundreds of entries to sift through. Once you've located the contact, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Now, look for the three dots next to their name. These dots, often referred to as the More Options menu, are your gateway to several actions you can take regarding this contact. Click on these dots to expand the menu. Here, you'll see various options, but the one we're interested in today is Delete. Selecting this option will prompt Honeybook to confirm your decision, ensuring that you don't accidentally remove the wrong contact. It's always good to double check that you've selected the correct individual before moving forward. Once you're certain, go ahead and select Delete. Honeybook will then process your request, removing the contact from your list. It's as simple as that. Deleting a contact is a permanent action, so make sure you won't need their information in the future. If there's a chance, you might consider exporting their details before deletion or archiving them if Honeybook offers that feature. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a contact from your Honeybook account. Managing your contacts efficiently ensures your network remains relevant and organized, allowing you to focus on nurturing the relationships that matter most. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to explore more guides on managing your Honeybook account effectively. Keep your digital workspace clean and clutter-free, and you'll see how much simpler it is to stay on top of your business tasks. Until next time, happy organizing.